once again to my subscribers, my new viewers, and my returning subscribers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending from wherever you're watching me from. So I'm your host Larry, and today guys, I have this beautiful video lined up for you that might be of your interest. So guys, we all know of the situation that has been going on in Haiti. Some cases, in a recent video that I did, we heard that the US are being blamed for secretly funding the Haiti war. You tell me your views on that. Now today, I know a lot of Haitians and also Jamaicans and also non-Jamaicans and Africans, we are rooting for Haiti to regain its stability from this ongoing war. So guys, with me here, let's dive into this video, and then I'll be back with more comments. But first things first, if you're here to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, comment, like and share on my videos. Let's dive in, guys.
Well, a tense day over in Haiti as the crisis in the small Caribbean nation continues Saturday. Reports of clashes between the police and gangs continue, and CBS News Miami's Tanya Francois has been bringing us the latest information on these stories from Haiti for weeks. So she joins us now in studio with new video and the latest on what's going on.
Haitians, especially those in Port-au-Prince, are anxious, not sure what will happen next. There are reports of a battle between gangs and police. The death toll yet to be determined. A CBS News Miami source living in Haiti is a drone pilot. They are voluntarily risking their safety to capture exclusive drone video, hoping people will get a bird's eye view of what's happening to their homeland and send help. Now, this video is of Lower Delma, taken this morning. It's typically a working class area near the airport. Now, normally it's packed with businesses and people. What you're seeing is the aftermath of the fighting that took place overnight between the gangs and police members in an operation to help save and protect a nearby police department. Businesses have been looted, some burned. You can see their hollowed walls from the air. The United States has now promised an additional $25 million to help with the humanitarian crisis. 362,000 people are displaced by those gangs taking over and destroying their homes. An estimated 5.5 million people are in need of immediate assistance, including food, healthcare, water, and hygiene, as those are increasingly difficult to access. What you are also seeing is the port area being looted. Now, keep in mind, there's still no air nor port traffic, so nothing is coming in or out of the country of Haiti for at least the last 2 weeks.
Sous l'ordre commandant en chef là, M. Normil Rameau, moi viens présenter nous bilan opération avec intervention diverses unités spécialisées dans la police là, étant même pendant semaine ça, sorti lundi 12 pour arriver vendredi 16 d'août 2020. Malheureusement, dans le cadre de l'opération ça, nous avons un policier qui est légèrement blessé et qui pour l'instant cap.
Après, policiers même qui déployé à terre là, ça internaute. Policiers IGPN ensemble avec policiers 4 millions. Après là, ça c'est non. Ça c'est non. Vraiment c'est à Guillaume après. Je mettais puis à tes amis internaute.
Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Larry. Remember, if you're watching me for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, comment and share on my videos. Now guys, I hope you've watched the video up to the end, and by just commenting, I'd love to know how many of you agrees with Dr. Omar Johnson on whatever he just stated, or rather said in this video. Kindly comment, like, subscribe, share and all that. Your reviews means so much to me. So guys, first things first, let's dive into today's topic. So as we've heard what Dr. Omar Johnson said, the Chinese are really taking over not only in Jamaica but most parts in Africa. So for one, I'll begin by talking about Jamaica. We've known that there are claims that the government of Jamaica has, or rather is giving more priorities, more privileges to the Chinese people than it should give to the citizens of Jamaica. Why would you even do that? Is it okay to say that these leaders, they've become puppets to these white people? Now, an example is, let's say there is a government construction going on. Now you'll feel, or rather you'll find out that the government of, or rather it's not just the government of Jamaica, but also here in Africa, we are facing the same thing. Now you'll find that the government has given out this contract to this certain architect, or rather this certain engineer, who's of the Chinese native, or rather these white people, living out our very own. As I said also earlier, in our countries, we have the best architects, we have the best engineers, we have the best doctors, we have the best athletes. Now, we've heard also cases of somebody changing his nationality and go represent another country in sports. And if you look deep into that, you'll find out that his government, or rather her government, failed to recognize him as an athlete. And now the person has no choice but to try out another country. Another thing is, our leaders have become so greedy and so corrupt that most people of a certain country are leaving their own country to go to other countries, either illegally or legally, in search of green pastures. Now, we know Dr. Omar Johnson talked also about there were claims that Jamaica sold the public beaches to the Chinese and also the white people, whereby these people privatized these beaches. Now, when these Jamaicans have to access the beaches, they have to pay. Just imagine you have to pay to see what, or rather to enjoy what belonged to you, what used to be yours. But now, our greedy leaders gave them out. Another thing I'll talk about is the Chinese people here in Africa, and to be specific in Kenya. Now, you'll find out that the Chinese are really taking over most parts of this country. Most of it. The Chinese imports their stuffs. But another thing I'll do, I think I'll just blame it on our fellow Africans and my fellow Kenyans. You'll find your fellow brother or sister or mother selling the same commodity with this Chinese person. Like their commodities, their stuff, whatever their goods they're selling, they're just equal, nothing different. Not even the price. You might even find this white person's shop is selling at a little, or rather slightly higher price. And now these people have this mentality of, why are you selling these at a cheaper price? Why is his higher than yours? Which means yours is not real, yours is fake. We as Africans, why are we not supporting our own? I don't actually think it's the right thing to continuously blame the Chinese and the white people. We black people, we Africans, we don't support our own. So how do we expect these people to come here and support our own? How do we expect them to do that? If you don't support me, how can they support me? You know, it's supposed to start locally. They're supposed to come and find that the people in Africa, the people in Kenya, the people in Jamaica, they are totally united. But we are so divided. And we'll be the first people to go to the streets, to go to the internets, claiming that these people, they are oppressing us. These people, they are discriminating us. We are giving them the power. We are leading them in this way that we are being treated by them. If only we learned to love and support each other. It doesn't have to be of a certain race. So guys, I won't talk much, but I'd love for us to love and support each other. I'd love for our leaders to protect us, to serve us according to our own will, according to the will they took an oath. So, kindly, let's oblige to that. So guys, remember, I'm your host Larry, and if you're watching me for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share on my videos. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for watching my video for the first time. I hope they interest you. So guys, and until we meet again, peace out.